Binance US App Review. Binance US is a crypto trading app designed for US users, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies, low trading fees, and advanced trading tools. It's a great option for traders looking for a balance between affordability and functionality. Installation and setup. Setting up an account requires ID verification, linking a bank account, and securing your wallet. The process is straightforward, but verification can sometimes take time. Next, key features: 100 plus cryptocurrencies available for trading, low trading fees, as low as 0.1%, advanced charting tools for experienced traders, staking rewards for earning passive income, and security features like two-factor authentication, 2FA. Performance and usability. The app is fast and responsive, with a clean interface for beginners and advanced tools for experienced traders. However, some features from the global Binance app are missing due to US regulations. Next, pros and cons. Pros: low trading fees compared to competitors, wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading features and staking options. Cons: fewer features than global Binance and limited customer support options. Compared to Coinbase, Binance US offers lower fees and more trading options, but Coinbase is easier for beginners. Kraken is another alternative with strong security and good trading options. In conclusion, Binance US is a great choice for traders who want low fees and a variety of crypto assets, but it lacks some features from its global counterpart. Ideal for those comfortable with a more advanced trading experience. And that's all for this review. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.